Ever wonder how some people are making serious money by just posting anime videos? Well, here's this one channel that's absolutely crushing it. He has got tons of views, plus amazing engagement, and guess what? Just a few other persons are doing the same thing, and the entry barrier is still very low. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can jump on this too. And of course, there are a ton of AI tools out there, but the real question is, how do they actually help you become more productive and make money? And honestly, this type of content is not only fun to watch, it's fun to create too. Now, recent studies have shown that people actually spend more time and engage more with animated videos. That means better ROI, better sales. If you head over to Upwork, you'll see people are already making money with AI tools doing video services like video ads, animations, and all of that. Just having fun with it. Some persons have even made over $10,000 by creating cool and fun stuff with AI video tools. But that's not even the strategy. The possibilities are just endless, okay? So if you have ever thought about turning your creativity into cash, well, today we're checking out Domo AI, a super fun video transformation tool that could totally change the game for you. Whether you're a marketer doing affiliate marketing, a small business owner, or maybe you got this cool idea and you want to spark your creativity, right? This app can help you drive traffic to your page or products. Plus, make you some extra money in ways you might not have imagined, okay? So let's jump right in. Alright, if you don't know what Domo AI is yet, don't worry. Just click the link in the description box and it'll take you straight to the platform. It's an AI-powered tool that lets you transform your videos in really fun and creative ways. For example, with the Fusion Style 2 feature, you can turn yourself into an animated character or even swap out characters in your video for superheroes, okay? Just like this, and I will be working you through it shortly. You can even upload any video and a reference image, and just like that, your content is totally transformed. Apart from it being used for fun, it's about creating something unique that grabs attention and stands out, okay? And these are all the features you can try out. They got turn image into video feature. Talking avatar, this is newly launched. The system allows you to use their pre-made voiceover or upload your own. Can you see how perfect the lip syncing is? Here's another one. Voice cloning, text to image, AI art, okay, and all of that. You can even upscale your blurry images and videos here. Alright, so let's dive into creating a video. First things first, let's keep it simple. Just upload a video of yourself or whatever content you want to transform. I'll just upload a fitness video. And here is our video. You can use any kind of footage based on your niche, okay? Next, you'll need to enter a few prompt words related to your video. This helps Domo AI understand the context. For example, I'll type a lady doing exercise since that's the vibe of the video. Now picking your transformation style. You've got a lot of options, so you want to be strategic here. Choose a style that fits your content or your brand. You've got anime in different styles, illustrations, 3D cartoon styles. There's a ton to play with. For this video, I'm going with anime v6 detail anime style. For the duration, I'll set it to 3 seconds, even though my video length is 11 seconds, but feel free to go longer if you want. For the reference, I'll leave it on more video since I want to keep the background intact. As for the aspect ratio, you should leave it on auto or go with 9:16. It's perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Now, in the advanced settings, I'm turning off lip syncing because this video doesn't have any mouth movements. Once you've got your style and settings locked in, just hit generate and let Domo AI work its magic. And there you go. Can you see that? Isn't that transformation pretty awesome? Sadly, I did just 3 seconds, but it's still super interesting to watch, right? Well, I even tried generating it in a 3D cartoon style illustration. Not bad, I guess. Now I know you've got a sharp mind, okay? And I want to get you thinking, how can you start monetizing these animations? Anyways, as we move forward, I hope to spark some creativity and fresh ideas for your own projects. Alright, here's another cool feature you might want to check out. Fusion Style V2. So let's say you've got a video, right? But this time with a voiceover you want to work with. Still on this interface, just upload your video, then add a reference image. This could be anything from a superhero to your favorite celebrity or even an AI generated image. Now click here to change the style to Fusion Style V2. For the reference image, I have Shrek and Joker uploaded already. Make sure your advanced settings are the same as mine to get the best results, alright? Now check out how Domo AI swaps the person in the video for Joker. By the way, this is a random BBC News video I found online, okay?
Now, a BBC World Service investigation has found that
Pretty
Stephen
cool,
Bartlett
right?
is amplifying. Now, a BBC World Service investigation has
Just look
found
at
that
how
Stephen
smooth that
Bartlett
transformation is. The original voice is still there, but now it's in a totally different character, right? It might seem simple, but people are already making some serious cash doing this. They're offering this as a service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Etsy. Now, before I dive into how you can start making money with this, you'll need some hands-on time with Domo AI. Trust me, their talking avatar feature is mind-blowing, and I say that as someone who uses one too. Once you get the hang of all the features and how to use them, you'll be ready to jump in. So head over to Fiverr and check out what people are already doing. This is a great way to get started because replicating what's already working is key to growing your own business. Take a look at this guy charging for photo to video. His basic plan is $6 for a 5-second animation, $13 for a standard plan, and $40 for a 10-second premium version. Not bad, right? Now, there's another guy in the same space, but he's much bigger with over 500 reviews and orders in the queue. His basic plan starts at $33. Do the math, and even with the lowest pricing, that's a solid income for a job you did with AI and just a little creativity. Another awesome way to use Domo AI is by driving traffic to your social media pages. If you have a niche, say a fitness coaching page, you can offer animated workout routines or motivational talks to your audience. Or if you're an affiliate marketer promoting fitness products, right? You could grab royalty-free fitness videos from sites like Pexels or Pixabay, then transform them into your preferred style and upload them. Now, when your audience sees these unique and engaging videos, they're way more likely to take action, whether it's signing up for a class, buying gym equipment, or a gym outfit. It would be anything, okay? Then you want to make sure that you create multiple video styles and post them regularly to keep people engaged, okay? This works for small business owners too. You can promote your products in a fun and creative way. If you're camera shy, you can even animate yourself talking about your product or services in your local dialect. People will be intrigued by the concept, and since AI is trending, they'll most definitely stop by to check it out. Now, if you enjoy creating fun content, then this is for you. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, they thrive on really short and engaging videos, right? Now, the secret to grabbing attention is making videos that are entertaining, funny, or visually striking, okay? People love unexpected combos, random humor, viral trends, quirky edits, and all of that. Now, with this tool, you can take existing content like movie scenes, sports highlights, or even mashups and transform them into something totally new, like anime-style clips. I'm beginning to see some Indian creators do this already. Imagine cutting interesting scenes from popular movies, like action sequences or emotional moments, and turning them into anime-style visuals. Or take sports highlights, think wrestling, boxing, or football, and turn them into stylized illustration anime videos. For example, you could turn a WWE match into an epic anime battle or a soccer goal into a cartoon moment. Amazing, right? Now imagine The Matrix as an anime or Rocky as a cartoon boxing match. Pretty wild, right? It's a cool way to reimagine your favorite scenes and give your audience something fresh and exciting. I really hope you found this tutorial interesting. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Will you be using Domo AI in your next project? And if you want to see more content like this, just drop a comment saying more AI tools. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. Much love and see you next time.